Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you all. Hope you had a good weekend. We're going to go ahead and get started and do our chart of the week. And this week I've chosen Goldman Sachs, which looks fairly bullish over here, but it had a rough day on Monday, of course, like most banks did. But let's see what we can figure out. We'll mark this chart up as we go along. And we see from the low that it made in February, it's made a nice series of higher lows, and it's also created a nice little trading channel here as well. We do have some resistance here, really stiff at this 160 area. Tried to get above there earlier today and was rejected soundly and pulled back down. But noticeably, it pulled down on lower volume, lower turnover, which is what we'd like to see if the stock comes down. The momentum indicators, as we see over here, got a little bit overheated last week and is pulling down a little bit. We do have a nice slope here on the relative strength. And again, this turned down a little bit today, but it's just coming back into a relatively normal area. I do like the triangle over here, and I do think that this stock is going to be headed to the higher end of the channel range over here in the high 160 area, maybe low 170s. We do have some resistance at the 200-day moving average, which is right here. We do have moving averages actually starting to turn up on the stock as it remains elevated above these higher levels. We like Goldman Sachs here. We're long the calls, the May 160 strike. We do have some potential targets here as well, which I would consider these gaps in the chart from late 2015 and then also early 2016 as some good targets as well too. Goldman Sachs, one of the better financial names that we have over here. There are some stocks that are doing better than others, but I think this one in that particular group looks particularly strong. Hope you have a chance to get on top of this thing. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.